11/24/24. How to remove a stuck brake adjustment star in a 1968 through, I don't know, 71, 64 through 71 Volkswagen van, transporter, Kombi. This and the other one were frozen inside of here. I used liquid wrench. I'm going to use that the day before. I also used blaster. You want to shake this up, shake it up. And then I took this pounder gizmo and I threaded it. I put it through a special bolt called a flange bolt. A flange bolt. Hopefully it'll come off. There we go. You can see that the bolt threads through the adjustment screw. You don't want to pry at these little puppies, at these little corners, with a screwdriver, because you don't want to pry at those corners with a screwdriver in this manner, because you'll break the brass fittings. You can pull out from there using one of these. I will try to list the size in the video. Hope that helps.